player can see them when they start the game. Even though they're in the distance, it'll encourage them to push out from this initial zone. I'm excited to work with these high value pickups. I love setting up rewards for my player and determining the value of those rewards. I'm going to put a few of these so that the player can see them when they start the game. Even though they're in the distance, it'll encourage them to push out from this initial zone and start exploring the rest of the world. I'm going to use them to bait a few traps, but I'm also going to place some in areas where there's long stretches of exploration required, where the player's going to have to go for quite a while before they run into another food spawner. If they see one of these high value pickups along the way, they're going to feel a bit more secure about moving across the terrain. And of course, I've saved these objects back into my library so that I can use them as prefabs, and I don't just have to duplicate and move them every time I want a new one. As we head into day 4, this is coming along really nicely. I'm pretty happy with it so far.